This video was sponsored by Enhance, Elbilmek, ABRP Planner, Kempower and Bilkomponenter. Electric GLC. There, I was about to say, someone needs to pop the hood. How big is your frunk? Did they double tap it now then? Oh, it's quite huge. I bet they could fit one banana box here. Wow, proper frunk. Yeah, someone put the... So they actually managed to make an okay frunk, huh? Okay, let me go check out over here. There's plenty of people in this. I mean, this is just a press. Sorry. Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry. Sorry, I didn't see it. Okay, the problem is that there's so many people around the car. They just need to cut it. Same thing here. Okay. Oh, they have the same as the shooting brake. Okay. They use more or less the same. You see? Same look, kind of vertical screen this time. Not much horizontal. So it has very similar interior as the shooting brake, CLA. Okay, try to get inside, but just showing you guys outside what it looks like. Man, I mean, if this is press day, how busy are the public days gonna be? Vivaldi browser, actually. Burmester. Yeah, they still go for the big hyper screen, whatever they call it. Is that a selling point for Mercedes? Oh, interesting back. Well, it doesn't look like EQS or EQV or some of the other EQ. Okay, same as the other Mercedes. Fairly large trunk. And I notice it's quite high. High loading height, but at least. And then probably something under here also. Oh, okay, quite deep well. You can also remove this. And then the button here for the anhakerkoppel. Oh, of course, it's fully automated. Yeah, and then remove it. Takes some time though. I wonder why there's this lag. Okay, and then we close it. So yeah, eventually I'm gonna borrow this in Norway, test it out. There's supposedly someone interviewing right now there, so you can't access it. There's an interview there.
Okay, genau.
Bist du da?
Ja,
Okay.
genau.
Es glänzt ja alles wunderbar und
Ja.
es ist toll und natürlich irgendwie sicherlich ein sehr, sehr angenehmes Fahrzeug.
Ja.
Aber wie schaut es mit der Nachhaltigkeit aus? Was tut ihr in dem Bereich?
Wir sind das weltweit erste Fahrzeug, das ein zertifiziertes veganes Interieur hat. Auch hier bilden wir für alle Kundengruppen was ab. Diese Ausstattung, wie Sie es hier sehen, gibt es auch in einer veganen Ausführung. Und wenn wir sagen vegan, dann ist es von A bis Z durchdacht. Auch Hilfsmittel in der Produktion sind veganen Ursprungs.
Genau. Also hier ist jetzt ja, jetzt passt es so. Ja, das ist
Alles gut. Was someone else shooting video there, so I didn't want to disturb them.
aber so können wir es jetzt lassen.